What type of acting, sir?
It is a good thing that we, with the vision of Sir, were part of the vision of Sir to give this land to him and do a great deed for the Daboli constituency. I thank Sir for giving us an opportunity by giving him land and making this wow plant a nice thing for Daboli constituency.
We are very grateful to our Honorable Panchayat Minister because of whom this project, this plant today is running successfully. As you all have seen all around that it is, the Chikalim village is becoming cleaner and cleaner, and we have set an example for all panchayats in Goa as well as the country. People from all over Goa as well as all over the country have been visiting our plant, and we have been recognized for the facility which we have created. All this is only because of our Honorable Minister, because he got everyone together to work for this only with one interest, that is making the Panchayat, the Chikalim Panchayat, the cleanest village. I would like to also thank our Komdat members, the ex-attorney who was really helpful in giving this land, Sir Raymond Carvalho, and the present attorney too, that is Manal Dias. They have been very supportive. Also the MD of IMBI who has been handling this plant, his dedication and his focus in maintaining this plant and just improving every time is really taking this plant and making it an example for all over, for everyone to see. Also I would like to thank Prasidh Naik, the Deputy Director of Panchayat, and Under Secretary to some Mobin Budino. He has been taking personal interest coming here all the time, monitoring all the events taking place here, and also the workers I would like to thank here, because of whom we have been seeing all the cleanliness around. And as you can see, it does not look like a garbage management plant or waste management plant, because it looks like a park also, a big joggers park and a smaller wow plant or wow park, I would say.
There was directions from Honorable Court as well to set up decentralized waste management facilities. I like to say that Village Panchayat Chikali has complied with all the directions which were issued from time to time. Initially, we had started in 2019. There was a big heap here, and I think the initiatives taken by Honorable Minister along with the Village Panchayat, the dream has come to reality. I think the expansion of 5 TPD plant will definitely help for managing the waste, because right now the extra waste which used to come, we used to send it to Saligaon. I think that system will be stopped now. Entire waste management of 7 to 8 ton will be treated here, and the electricity which will be generated will be used here. So decentralized facilities, that what we are trying to say, that every panchayat should have, that village panchayat is complied with.
We have gathered here to inaugurate the final phase of WOW plant. WOW itself is, the meaning is wealth out of waste. So at Chikalim, we are delighted to have an inauguration of an additional 5 TPD biomethanization plant. That is, the total capacity of this plant is now increased to total 15 ton. That is 5 plus 5, 10 tons of biomethanation, that is wet waste converted into energy, and 5 tons of dry waste, that is recyclable and non-recyclable waste. This entire facility also has 40 KLD of FSTP, that is fecal waste, it's treated over here. There is also 30 KLD ETP, that is effluent, and there is a STP of 30 KLD. This generates close to around 50,000 liters of water per day, of which part water is used for this facility for self-consumption, and a majority of water is sent to an iconic project, that is Joggers Park. What it actually defines is drinking water, which we always know that it's available its availability is very precious to us. Drinking water is not used for gardening, and reuse water from this WOW plant goes to Joggers Park, and it gives life to all the trees and the garden over there. Now, this facility is also one of its kind because it is managed in collaboration with the community, where the community is paying a user fee, which is as per the bylaws of panchayats, and with that collection money, The entire door-to-door collection is happening over here. There are total 11 wards. All 11 wards, there are 3 dedicated zones, zone supervisor who collect waste, and this waste is brought to this facility. Overall of 95% of segregated waste is the target we've achieved. Overall of 90% of the public are paying for the services. That means they are somewhere satisfied. That is the reason they are paying for the services. And we have achieved no cost to Panchayat. And the entire project is currently operating only by user charges. That is, people are paying to operate this plant. This is a success, and today we are here, for the 4th and the final phase inauguration of WOW plant.
I think this is a very big milestone in waste management in Goa. From a 5 TPT capacity, we have raised the capacity to 10 TPT. And this is the phase 3. We had, in the first phase, it was just management of garbage to the extent of 5 tons. Thereafter, we have the STP, we have a FSTP, as well as later on in phase 2, we had a ETP as well, effluent treatment plant. Like this, we have moved systematically from one stage to another, and here we are now expanding the capacity to 10 tons of garbage, which is going to be managed in a manner I think whole waste management people will look at in a very carefully. The most important part of our plant is it is at very low cost. We must have spent something like around 6 crores totally in all the 3 phases. And I was just calculating back to back the calculation as to how much it will cost us to manage 1 ton of garbage. It has cost us in investment wise about 50 lakhs. At one time, Panchayat used to pay 4 to 5 lakhs every month just for the laborers to manage garbage, and it was not done properly. Segregation was not proper, collection was not proper. Then came a time for collaboration with someone who is passionate about it, somebody who does this job well. There came IMBI and there came Gaurav Pokle. After initiating talks with the Panchayat led by Kamla Prasad Yadav and Ashwarya Korgaonkar, and after the collaboration happening from government side, from Mr. Prasid Naik, who is my deputy director also attached to my office, EPIL officials, all the other stakeholders, we have brought about such a plant that you can look at its cost effectiveness, you can look at its efficiency, you can look at the practical working. There was help through CSR as well, like we have a shredder, we have a forklift machine vehicle, wherein we used to find difficult to hire, and those costs were incurred. From a situation where we had to pay 4-5 lakhs of rupees, where it was unmanageable garbage, today we are managing it very scientifically. It is almost breaking even. I will say they are not making profits, but in due course, I think we will be making profits. Why do we call it the WOW plant? Because it is wealth out of waste material, wealth out of the garbage. One side, we generate electricity, it runs this plant. In due course of time now, with expansion of capacity of another 5 TPT, we will be able to perhaps supply power to the joggers park and surrounding areas. So this is electricity cost saved every month, every year. Similarly, water. Our park has something like 6,000 plus trees. How do you water it? You would have been using drinking water, denying people the drinking water, and then yet you have to water your plant. That water goes from here via a pipeline. So the messy thing of tankers going and giving water in the park does not arise. So we have laid an underground water pipeline which goes to a tank to tank, and that waters my joggers park. So, and it is an iconic park, as you know, and equally iconic this particular WOW plant has become. That's why I have named it also WOW. I think this will be a vivid example of scientific waste management, not only for all the panchayats in Goa, it will be a vivid example for all panchayats in the country. As our Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, while commenting on the joggers park, he said there will be no such park in entire country in any panchayat area. You know that inauguration he said it. I want to now build up on that and say there is no plant like this in panchayat areas anywhere at such low cost. the ministry, our ministry has noted it, officials have come, appreciated it, sarpanchis have appreciated it, municipal presidents have come and appreciated it. Every time there are requests for visits by institutions, renowned institutions, and they are so happy and they are amazed that it has been done in this part of Goa, and I am proud that it has happened in Chikalim. And this is also my home ground, not only my constituency. I live here in Chikalim, next to Joggers Park. So it is a very proud moment for me and all those who are associated with me. And this has all happened because it is a collaborative effort, whether from the government, whether from the panchayat, whether from IMBI, whether from EPIL, whether it is from everyone associated, otherwise even the ordinary workers here. They work with so much of passion. So much so that for the first time I have brought a music system for them. They are our workers who need to work in a good atmosphere. They handle our waste. We should have regard to them. So let them have some music while they are also working. So that's the concept behind it. So something different which is required to make them feel as part of the community. We have had award functions awarding them during the Independence Day or the Republic Day, because I want to recognize that they are the real warriors handling this waste, the waste warriors as I would call them, and helping society to evolve as a society which is clean and green, which I want Goa to happen, which I want it to happen in entire Goa. I want to thank the Chikaling Komdat, particularly the then attorney, Raymond Carvalho. He was gracious enough to move every step to see that we get this land, and I'm also grateful to the present attorney Manuel Dias for also collaborating and making things happen. I'm also grateful to Dr. Kaitan Mascarenhas as well as Sankwalkar, who the other day had a meeting with me, and they very graciously agreed to continue this land with us. We will of course be paying some lease rent, which is, I think in today's times it is not much. So it is a very happy collaboration from them. Had there been no land, how would this plant have come up? Had there been no land, how would have Joggers Park come up? So like this, I think this is an example which others also should follow. There's so much of land just lying waste, no garbage plant, no treatment of garbage. So this example should be taken by other people. In fact, some sarpanchis came here, some municipal presidents, saying, how you managed to get the land? I said, we got people like Raymond and Manel and other people. So like this, if the collaboration takes place everywhere, community will get the things they deserve, and ultimately we all go through it. No, suppose this place was dirty and I was coming around, I would have been moving through the dirt. I don't have to move through that. I have to move through a clean area. So that is what is the collaboration of everyone.
First of all, congratulations चिखली पंचायती खातीर, कित्याक म्हाका दिसता हो थर्ड फेजान हो वाव प्लांट अपग्रेड जाता. फर्स्ट फेज जालो वेल्थ आउट ऑफ वेस्ट प्लांट, आनी सराच्या संकल्पनेंतल्यान ही जल्मल्ली आयडिया, आनी वेन चिखली पंचायतीची सगळो गार्बेज हांगासर मॅनेज जाता. तशाच तरेन सराची आनी एक पंचायत जी आमची ल्हान पंचायत चिकोलना बोगमोला, हेच्या भितर सुद्दां सराच्या मत्तीन आनी आमची कोमदात जी आहा थंयची तेंच्यांनी आमकां जागो दिल्लो, आनी तेच्या अंडर आमची पंचायत धाकटी, येदो व्हडलो प्लांट ना आमचो, पण आमी MRF शेड सराच्या मत्तीन थंय सेटअप केल्लो, आनी थंय अशा तरेन सराच्या आदारान बऱ्यांतल्या बऱ्या तरेन आमी आमच्या गांवची वेस्ट बऱ्यांतल्या बऱ्या तरेन थंय ट्रीट करता. आतांच फुडल्या काही दिसां भितर आमकां दिसतलें की सरान रिक्वेस्ट करून थ्रू गोवा शिपयार्ड आमकां आनी एम्युनिटीज त्या गार्बेज शेडी भितर येतात, सो दॅट वी कॅन प्रोवायड मोर सर्विसीस टू अवर लोकल्स. अशें म्हणून सराचो एक हात दोन्ही पंचायती फाटल्यान आसल्या कारणान आमकां स्मुथली गार्बेज सारको एक नवे तरेचे जे प्रॉब्लम्स आसा ते केटर करपाक, त्याच्या बरोबर म्हटल्यार डील करपाक आमकां इजी जाता. त्या बद्दल सराचे धन्यवाद.